Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to get macros on AntiMicro.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To utilize macros in AntiMicro, follow these steps. Start by ensuring that AntiMicro is installed on your PC. If it's not installed yet, you can find a download link in the description below, along with tutorials on how to install it. Once AntiMicro is installed, open the application. Then, connect your controller to your PC. Once the controller is connected, you're ready to proceed. Now, map your desired macro button by clicking on your A button and navigating to the mouse settings. Locate the wheel up option and make the necessary adjustments. After configuring this, launch Fortnite and access your profile settings. In the Fortnite settings, navigate to the keyboard section and locate the reset building, edit, change it to wheel up, and confirm the action. Next, assign your controller's reset button to your preferred macro button for easier access. This will streamline the macro function for you. Finally, let's set the value to 0 on your controller. Navigate to the macro section within AntiMicro. Then choose your designated button, such as the A button or any other preferred button on your controller. Proceed to the advanced settings. Then choose Turbo. Enable the option and set the value to 0. And that's how you can utilize macros in AntiMicro effectively.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.